The question says which one of the following is an inner orbital complex as well as diamagnetic by nature. Okay, as well as diamagnetic by nature. Now pay attention very carefully. Okay, remember this sentence. Any complex which is having a strong field ligand, okay, in that case pairing of electron will be taking place. Pairing of electron, okay, it will form low spin complex, low spin, otherwise we can say inner orbital complex, okay, and mostly it will favor diamagnetic, okay, it will be diamagnetic by nature because all the unpaired electrons will be paired. Okay, if complex has a strong field ligand, there will be pairing of electron, then it will be forming low spin or inner orbital complex, and it will be diamagnetic by nature. So if we identify in the given complex the strong field ligand, then we can answer this question. Okay, now pay attention carefully. In this case, ammonia, neutral ligand is there. Same ligand is given there. But always keep in mind, ammonia is taken as a considered as a strong field ligand, but it does not act as a strong field ligand with all the metals. It acts as a strong field ligand with selective metals. Now keep in mind. For this I had given the trick. The trick was we had copper ki CD फेंको. Copper, the trick was to remember the metals with which ammonia act as a strong field ligand. Copper ki CD फेंको. Okay, copper ki CD फेंको. From here we get copper. This is copper, Cu, and then we get cadmium. From here we get iron, and this is what cobalt is there. Ammonia with any of these metals act as a strong field ligand, and with remaining metals it act as a weak field ligand. Now pay attention carefully. Copper, cadmium, iron, and cobalt. Okay, so you can see we have chromium. No, sorry, cobalt is given here. Chromium, no, zinc, no, and nickel. You can see ammonia with chromium, zinc as well as nickel will be acting as a weak field ligands in which no pairing of electron, and it will be forming high spin or outer orbital complex, and which will be paramagnetic by nature. Only A option is there in which cobalt is given here. Cobalt, okay, cobalt, in which ammonia is acting as a strong field ligand causing pairing of electron, forming low spin or inner orbital complex, and that complex will be diamagnetic by nature. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.